You gonna fly with us today, Tim?
Sometime
Or you gonna
today.
keep fiddling around with that thing?
Sometime today. Calm down, Mr.
Are you
Just
ready to
calm
bind?
down. Yep.
Okay, I got the plug in. Okay, we're flashing.
DSM-2 22 milliseconds, 1024 resolution.
Sounds like you might be about ready to go
Bind complete.
again.
Okay,
Maybe.
now work stuff.
I think maybe we're gonna get it here today. Everybody's helping him balance and he doesn't really want to.
Sounds serious now.
Yeah.
We got a hammer out. It ain't good, boys. Oh, boy.
Larry's over there shaping the lead to put on it.
This ought to get you a lot of confidence, too.
Yep. Sometimes they're not.
Underneath your bolts, and then we'll come up over it. Oh,
That and they got that stupid ass elephant grass that you can't even tear up your eyeballs. You can't even walk.
It's tall, yep.
Feel like they're in fucking Nam or something.
get it back in there, bud. I can't see it.
Pretty testicle, isn't it?
It sure is.
Bottom of the rudder.
There's the lead he put in to balance it.
Those are nice.
Yeah.
They're taking the shot.
I think we got him convinced to fly it in a little bit. The wind light up. The wind light up.
That wheel is holding me from doing it.
It's not rolling, it's kind of just dragging, huh? Uh-oh, I don't think you're gonna make it. Need to dump that tail wheel. That way he can say he didn't crash it.
That's true. Let me take it down a little ways further, Tim.
Tim chickened out on the flight on this and handed Larry the transmitter. So Larry's going to fly his first flight on it. But it's going up in the air this time. Whoop, there went his hat.
And there went the motor.
Faster than Tim can run. Well, it's going to go up at least.
You'll do all right with it.
Yep.
As long as you don't die for a long time. That's the only thing I'd be worried about is freaking dying on me.
Yep.
This wind, that's not...
It's been running pretty good, but then all of a sudden it dies, so that...
It wasn't windy. That
Yep. Wow.
Around that signal. All right, fired up, take off.
I think we might be ready to go. He doesn't have the he does have a canopy for it. It's not on yet.
Get them downwind somewhere and end up laying down there in a pond somewhere. No motor to get back. I don't even like the sign on me on a calm day.
good enough motor, but it is really windy.
Like I said, I can see worried about that.
Wow. I don't think he hardly gave it any throttle at all.
No, he wasn't figuring on taking off.
Surprise!
Walling around, and
Yeah, he's got a him, so keep it up high, keep it throttled up, that's all you can do.
He is getting it smoothed out though.
Nice one, moving around.
I was hoping he was doing that.
I think the wind had it steered up to start with.
Yeah.
Wow.
there's that something.
That's our boom. Wait.
Don't throttle it up anymore.
I'll turn them.
I was only going to make a low pass, and I thought that wind was really about to win.
Well, it's got power.
Fucking thing goes straight out. Does it do anything else?
How big a battery do you usually fly in that?
22.
Okay.
I'd say 4 or 5 minutes, and then
Yeah, he won't get much flight time.
call it it.
Must not be too bad because it's flying all
It's
right.
flying really pretty good, yeah.
Maybe even better. Lighter battery, less weight.
That's true.
Guess I better turn the camera on then, huh? Might get exciting. Could get a little bit closer than that though.
I think he's doing good to get it.
I got it. I'm out of battery.
You
I
are?
figured you was about right.
I was dead.
Woo! It don't have much flight time, does it?
Well, I got 123 left on it, and I have to double check and see what it does when I clear. Let me clear it. That was 5, so I only had 3.
Is that a new motor? Or used. Hey, turn the cone around. Turn the cone around.
I'd have another melted in, wouldn't I? Glad Tim's keeping an eye on me.
No kidding, somebody's got it. Now, if you just crash, I'll even be happier. Oh, look, your cross is coming off.
What?
Your cross.
Yeah. Better be. Oh, man.
Ready? Yep. That was close. Hey, watch the step. Doug's coming down across.
Yeah, he's ready. Wow. Kind of bouncing it all over the place.
Yep.
I tried to do a loop going downwind and all double straight up.
Lower, Jeff, lower. Woo!
I was totally on the
Payback, isn't it, Doug?
Climbing a little bit still, and I just noticed I got all the down trim there is.
Lower, 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 lower. Oh, too low.
Ah, you make a turn, it really goes fast.
Yeah, it goes fucking throw you right up.
It goes a shooting down there.
Well, it'll flip you too in the middle of the road.
It's the same plane that Twin's going on, Tim.
Want to get bigger?
I hope to have a running video this week.
Of the engine?
Yep.
You already got the plane, right?
Yep. It's sitting on the bench, ready to start putting together.
Did you find my tail wheel?
Oh, you know what I started?
What?
I got one of the wings on the. Whoop.
Whoa, whoa.
Uh-oh. I was getting ready to run.
I was too.
Me too.
I couldn't get it over there where I
The
wanted.
dual ace. I got one of the wings on that airplane stand, getting ready to put new fuel lines in it and all of that.
The dual ace.
Yeah, the one I bought off of you. Twin engine.
Oh, you finally gonna get it together?
Yeah.
I gotta kind of watch where Doug's at.
I got the cowling off to figure out how to get in there, and I've just got in a 16-foot roll of silicone fuel
change
line.
direction on it.
That's the only kind you can use for nitro engine.
Yep.
Definitely can't use for gas engines.
Sure made a difference on the running, didn't it?
Oh, it did. I couldn't believe the difference. So it must, what it was doing, I think it was slowing up so much, it was sucking a bunch of air.
Yep.
And then it wouldn't prime. Ow, god damn. Ooh, I thought you were gonna land right in the water hole. Down, Jeff, down! Because the wind's coming, keeps moving back and forth. Frickin' pin.
Well, turn this way. Turn! 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 There we go.
It's got to turn back.
Oh, it went too far past.
Give it up elevator.
I got
when you
full
turn.
up elevator.
Oh, do you?
You just have to watch when it's getting close. It decides to turn then. It starts coming downhill. It was rolling. I forgot about that switch.
Later on a different day. Well, you can come later that night.
Oh, Tim! Tim! Camera! You're supposed to be operating that camera.
I'm trying to find my email.
You have to worry about that later.